Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Kitsuna SRC Diet. Now let's all say hi to the cutest and loveliest, Lala Chan. Alright, kids, Lala Chan is here. She's ready for the sports games. Everyone, let's go. Alright, everybody, let's go. Lala Chan. Okay, all the kids go. Let's follow Lala Chan behind. Let's go, Lala Chan. Okay. All the kids where you are invited po, please. Samahan natin si Lala Chan. Let's go to the event area. Hello kids at the particular area. Hello mommies and daddies. Let's go, let's follow Lala Chan. Hi po sa outer area. Papasok pa lang. You are invited po. Please come and join us. Let's have fun together with Lala Chan. Hello. Okay, let's go Lala Chan. Nice and in the area. Hello, hello kids! Hello mommies and daddies! Samahan natin si Lala Chan. Let's have fun! And then sa akin nagpunta tayo sa event area. Hi! Let's go Lala Chan! Hi kids! Alright kids, once you're here, raise your hands and jump, jump, jump! Very good, okay. Once again to all the kids who are above the area, or the area and not the kitty area, we are inviting you po to go and join us here. Samahan po natin ang iba pong mga kids dito at mag-enjoy tayo kasama si Lala Chan. Okay, 10 seconds po. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nakasip po naman po sa gardens. Ito na po tayo mga sir sa labas. Para po makasabay po ang kids natin ng ating event area. So, dito na lang po tayo. Thank you po. Dito na lang po tayo sa unahan. Mami, dito na lang po tayo sa unahan. Yeah, thank you so much. On the other side naman po, dito na lang po tayo sa harapan. Para po makasabay po natin ng ating event area. Mami, dito na lang po tayo sa harap. Thank you po. Ayan. Okay. Ready na ba ulit ang lahat ng kids natin? Ayan. Hi kids! Okay, how about we start this event? Yung isang malasi palakpakan! Very good. Okay kids, are you having fun here at Kitsuna? Yes, yes. Okay, so let's introduce ourselves. Let me introduce our event team. My name is Kuya Edgy and I will be your host for today. Together with Ate Laika and Ate March. Hi! And now let me introduce to you our star all the way from Japan, the one and only Lala Chan! Okay, hi pa muna tayo sa kids natin Lala Chan. Okay. Ano po yung Lala Chan? Ano po yun? Okay kids, bago yung sinabi ni Lala Chan, arrange muna natin ang ating lines. Sideward. Ganito na kami dali. Okay, very good. Sabi sa akin ni Lala Chan, magkakaroon na tayo ng warm-up dance. You want to dance? Siyempre, lahat tayo. Now, let's all look at Lala Chan. Tuturuan tayo ng ating first warm-up dance step. Sabi ni Lala Chan, kids, clap your hands up. Clap, clap, and clap. Very, very good. Alam na daw niya, alam ng regular costume na si ate. Okay, how about the next one? Lala Chan. Next is stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Up and down. Stomp your feet. Very good. Okay, are you ready? How about a loud yes? Yes, we are ready. Ate Laika. Okay. 2 and 2. Okay, let's go. Everybody dance. Hold up your hands. Sit down, everybody. Very good naman, okay? Ayan, nakikinig natin ang lahat ng kids natin. Pero hinga muna tayo, kids. Everybody inhale. Exhale. Isa pa, inhale. Exhale. Okay, meron pala tayong gamit dito. Okay. Okay, you drink your water muna then. Let's go back to the event area mo, okay? Okay, kids, eyes on me. Ano po yung ni Kuya? Ano kulay ng flag? Green, very good, nakikinig naman talaga. Okay, so, meron tayong sports games, very good. Anong hawak ni Kuya? Rope, anong kulay ng rope? Pink or red, very good. So, ano yung sports games natin? Sino may alam? Ano po yun? Tag of war, very good. Okay, our sports game for today is called Tag of War. Okay, we have two teams, Team A, Ate Laika, and Team B, Ate March. Okay, so this time kids, all you have to do is listen and watch carefully. Ito mo sa atin ni Ate ang ating game mechanics. Are you ready to listen? Raise your hands. Ayan, very good. So when I count in 3, 2, 1, pull the rope as hard as you can. Go, pull, pull. Ang lakas ng hila ni Ate. Kanina napunta ang tag. Kanina po napunta. Kay Ate, Laika. Then, she have 1 point. So in this game, all you have to do is to get 2 points para manalo. Who wants to win? Everybody wants to win. Ang lalat siya. Ngayon may sinabi ulit sa akin si lalat siya. Okay, para daw po mag-enjoy tayo sa game, we have to follow the safety reminder. First natin lalat siya. Look at lalat siya, kids. Ano yung sinasabi ni lalat siya? No? No jumping. Very good. How about the other kids? Ano po yung sabi ni lalat siya? No? No jumping. Very good. Okay, next natin lalat siya. No? Look at lalat siya. No pushing. Very good. Good job out there. Next natin lalat siya. Okay, ano po yun? Pull the rope. Pull the rope carefully and hold the rope. Firmly, hawakan natin ang mais. Hilayan natin ang malakas. And then last and the most important is enjoy the rest of the game. Everybody stand up. Let's stand up. Okay, now let's divide you into two teams. Team A and Team B. Okay, follow our guidelines. On Team A, malaki po muna, and the Team B is smallest po muna. Okay, lalat yan. Are you ready? Let's count at 10 seconds po. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on kids, find your teammates. Come on, come on. Samahan natin si ate. Samahan natin si ate. Come on ate. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Okay na ba ang lines natin? Anong team natin kuya? Team A. So meron tayong cheering, sabi ni Lala dyan. Ano yun Ate Laika? Ay, ano yun kuya? Go Team A! Go! Go Team A! 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 Grabe ang energy ng Team A natin. How about the Team B? Go! Grabe, palaban din ang team natin. Kids, are you ready? Yes, we are. And then, don't forget our safety reminders po. Walang tatakbo, walang tatalan, and of course, walang manunulak. Let's enjoy the game. Doon tayo sa air-track area maglalaro, kids. Follow your hands, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's sundan natin si Lalat dyan. Punta tayo sa air-track area. And now we're inviting all the parents and guardians po. You can join us po and cheer and support your kids while they are playing. Team A, are you ready? Team B, are you ready? Everybody, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Hold on up in 3, 2, 1, go! Hold on, 15, 13, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, everyone is over. Congratulations. Balik tayo sa line, balik tayo sa line. Team A, are you ready for the second round? Are you ready? Ready now. How about you, Team B? Are you ready? Yes, we are. Let's go, everybody. In 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 13, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations, Team A. Okay, competitive kids natin yan. Okay, back to your lines, back to your lines. Okay, back to your lines, kids. Let's have a tiebreaker on our last round. Everybody, get ready. Okay, everyone. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, go! 15. Go, 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 go! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, round is over, kids. Okay, Bogdan, congratulations, Team B. Clap your hands, kids, clap your hands. Clap your hands naman na dyan. Very good naman. Okay. Kaya mo na ng ropes, kuya. Okay, Team A, dito muna tayo. Assemble muna tayo dito sa lapit kay Lalat siya. Everybody, everybody. Lapit na natin si Lalat siya. Now, let's give the Team B their five claps and very good, everybody. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Everybody get up in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, kids, our safety reminders, no jumping, no jumping. No jumping muna. Okay, Team B, decide kung ano ng team A natin ng 3,000 na dyan. Everybody go! 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, good job! Okay, back to the lines. Wala mo nang tatalon. Let's go back to the event area. Come on, kids! Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go! Alright, kids, let's go back to the event area. We are not yet done, boys. Time for your surprise! Everybody, dito tayo sa harap po nila. Let's go! Okay, dito tayo sa harap po nila. Let's go, raise your hands! Raise your hands! Shake your hands! Grabe, shake ni Kuya. Nararamdaman namin ang shake. Okay, raise your hands! Shake your hands! Okay, who's ready for the surprise? Who's ready? Lahat naman ay ready pa. Pero ready na ba makinig kay Kuya? Yes, we are. Ano po nangalat siya? Ayan, may binuro sa akin si Lalat dyan. Okay, please sign for the surprise, but meron siyang special request ang kanyang favorite dance. Are you ready to dance again? Yes, we are. Okay, Ate Laika. Okay, hands up tayo. Hands up. Hands down. Get ready to jump Very good naman sa baby girl. Come on, kids. Dance. Hey. Tap your shoulder. Tap your head. Let's jump. Wave your hands. Circles. Fish. Everybody forwards. Let's jump. Wave your hands. Eyes and face. Okay. Go. Bend your knees. Let's go. Cross your arms. Let's turn around. Everybody get ready to jump. Jump and jump. Everybody say hooray! Very good naman. Okay, sit down. Okay, tingnan natin si Lala Chan. Sabi niya, sit down daw po tayo. Okay, nandito na yung gift ni Lala Chan. Who's ready? We are all ready now, but Lala Chan has to say something. Ano yung Lala Chan? Cover your eyes na po sabi ni Lala Chan. And let's all shout the magic word na open! Okay, everybody, cover your eyes. Let's have a practice in 3, 2, 1. Pwede na ba yung Lala Chan? Pwede na ba, pero let's do it one more time. Louder, please. Cover your eyes. In 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Ayan, let's... Okay. Okay, kids. Once you get your gifts, get back to your seats. Okay, now is the time for your mommies and daddies to proceed around the front po para picture na natin tayo sa ating kids. Kids, wala mo nang alis. Okay, kids, sit down tayo, sit down. Let's have a group picture with Lala Chan. Sit down tayo muna. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Let's have a group picture muna with Lala Chan, okay? Sit down muna tayo doon. Hi, kids! Hi! Pakais naman ang pamustakan, sabi ni Lala Chan. Okay, now let's have a group picture with Lala Chan. When I shout, kids soon, ha? Everybody shout hooray! Okay, once again, please turn your cameras, mommies and daddies, and take pictures of your kids here in front. Everybody, kids, get ready, 3, 2, 1, kids na! Harap tayo kay mommy and daddy. One more time, 3, 2, 1, kids na! Okay, andun yung mami natin. Bring your biggest and smilest, happiest smile. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, kids na! Okay, naman, ang ganda ng smile nila Lala Chan. Okay, meron pa sasabihin sa atin si Lala Chan, wala mo na alis. Wala mo na po alis. Okay, let's go Lala Chan. Ano po yung Lala Chan? Ayan, sabi ni Lala Chan, this is exciting. Sino may birthday today? Meron po? Ay, meron. Okay, how about the birthday party here? Sino gusto raise your balloons? Ayan lahat sila Lala Chan. Let's go Lala Chan. Invite natin ang parents and guardians. Good afternoon parents and guardians. Kitsune SMC Tigae is now open for a birthday party reservations if you are interested po. Please do inquire in our counter area and our friendly staffs will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much po. Okay, ano yung Lala Chan? Ayan. Kids, nag-enjoy na po ba kayo? Sino nag-enjoy? Raise your hand. Ayan, I hope you enjoyed. But now it's time to say goodbye to Lala-chan. Babalik na po siya ng Japan. When I count in 3, 2, 1, everybody say goodbye. Lala-chan! Okay, kids, thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed. Enjoy the rest of your time here in Kitsuna. Bye-bye! And for those who want to solo picture po, dito na lang po tayo sa event area. And Lala-chan will be happy to have you here. Okay, thank you po!